Holden's all-new European-built Commodore wagon has been spied wearing just a tease of camouflage in city road testing less than 8 months from its official Australian launch. Spotted by quick-thinking cars guide reader Derek Nelson in Melbourne this week, the Commodore Sportwagon will join the liftback sedan in a high-riding tour that Holden said is planned for launch in the first half of 2018. The wagon holds few secrets after being outed at the Geneva Motor Show in March this year as its clone, the Opel Insignia. Styling lines show a sleek wagon with hints of the Mercedes-Benz CLS wagon's tapering blue line and side glass. GM Holden's product communications manager Mark Flintiff said the camouflage striping around the LED tail lights and roof-mounted rear spoiler were there mainly to remind curious eyes that the car is still a pre-production model. "There's a few cars around undergoing testing," he said. "We have had some in the Victorian Alps for tests, and now the city ones would be looked at for things such as the performance of the DAB, digital, radio in CBD and suburban areas, and for the performance of the suspension tuning over roads including those with tram tracks. The program is being expanded, and later on you will see a lot more Commodores on the road." Holden has spent considerable time on the suspension engineering of the car, adapting its sophisticated 3-mode flex ride system to Australian conditions. It has also been honing the all-wheel drive system, that includes torque sensing, to be fitted to some top-shelf V6 engine variants, to our conditions. The Flex Ride will join the Drive Select program on the Commodore Tour to enhance its all-road capability. The modern-day equivalent of the Holden Adventra, like other European high-ride wagons such as the Audi A4 Allroad and Mercedes-Benz E-Class All-Terrain, is based on the wagon version but has a 20 mm higher ground clearance, all-wheel drive, protective body panels and different wheels. The Commodore will be powered by a choice of 3 engines, a 230 kW per 370 Nm 3.6-litre petrol V6, a 2.0-litre turbo petrol 4 and a turbo diesel 4 with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The Sportwagon and Tour will have 1640 litres of total cargo room, 40/20/40 split rear seat, and the Tour will add standard roof rails. Available safety features across the board includes auto emergency braking, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert. Buyers will also be able to specify ventilated and massaged front seats, heated front and rear seats, head-up display and a choice of multimedia systems.